Ever wondered how to get past AI detectors and make AI contact undetectable? And what if you could make AI text sound neutral, human-like and engaging? The sweet TenorShare AI comes in. In today's video, I will show you how to use the TenorShare to transform dull, mechanical AI generated content into something that sounds authentic and emotional and totally human. Many content creators like students and professionals struggling with AI detector flagging their work and wanted to remove plagiarism, but now you don't have to worry, as the TenorShare AI Bypass is a free and effective tool that can humanize AI text effortlessly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now in this video, I'll be writing some AI generated content and then I'll be testing on some manual AI detector tools, and after that we will try to use the TenorShare AI website to humanize the content, and after using the TenorShare humanizer, we will be testing that article to check if it's humanized or not. Also, by using the TenorShare basic version, you can humanize 100,000 per month, which is a huge number, and I think that will be enough for every single user. So now let's quickly test the TenorShare AI detector, as I have write this content to ChatGPT, which is obviously AI content, but first let me test this manually on 0GPT just to check if it's AI or not. And as you can see, I have just copy and paste, and it's 100% AI content which we have write through ChatGPT. Now let me humanize it through TenorShare humanize tool. So I will just copy paste it here and click on humanize, and it will take around 5 seconds to humanize the content, and that's it. And as you can see, it's completely transformed into undetectable content, and it's automatically tested on all these websites, including Turnitin and other popular sites, which is definitely the best AI content undetectable tool for students and professionals, and even if you are making dissertation and your assignment. Now let me quickly test it manually on 0GPT website, and as you can see, it's now completely human written. Now let me write into the content on ChatGPT to test the humanizer again. Let's copy it and paste it on TenorShare humanizer, and it's taking time. It will take around 5 seconds, and again, as you can see, it's human written. Let me test again manually on 0GPT just to check it if it's working or not, and as you can see, it's again human written thanks to the TenorShare AI tool. You can use the AI detector tool on TenorShare as well, and not just that, but the TenorShare also offering many tools which can help you on day-to-day usage, like AI writer tool for free, which you can use to write your content, and then you can humanize it to remove the plagiarism through TenorShare. So that's it. I'm leaving the downloading of TenorShare humanizer. I will definitely recommend this for student and professional for your assignments and dissertation. This is the best tool which will make your content human written within just a seconds. The download link is available down below in the description and comment as well. Let me know if you guys have got any question regarding this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.